channel. Today I will be building this island. Right now, as you see in the clip, I am just painting it. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So the first step is just getting the dowels and each of the sides. Step 2 is preparing the two sides for the drawer. And step 3 and step 4 is just screwing in the handles for the door. Now it's step 5, which was my least favorite part because the drawer was the hardest part to put in. The directions was not as clear. I got through it, but I had to take it apart and re-put it together a couple of times just to get it correctly. Step 6 was pretty easy. Step 7 was also just a small little door handle part on the side. And step 8 was just on the other side. Now step 9 was kind of difficult because I was trying to screw it in together without making it fall or crack or bend over, but using the wall I got it to go in pretty easy. So step 10 and step 11 were just to put the bottom and the top together, but step 12 was the most annoying part because it was just to put the wheels on, but there was no pre-cut holes, so I didn't know where the wheels went. My dad just came in to check on something else for me, but he eventually did help me. You'll see in a second. Step 13 and 14 were basically just to finish putting the drawer in and attaching it to the whole part. The final step, which was step 15, was just to put the doors in, and I went back to step 13, which I forgot to put the backing on of the back, and I used the extra screws. I don't know if those extra screws, but the extra screws and my dad's power tool to screw them in instead of the nails they provided. And here's the finished product. I think I did a good job. I like the color I painted it. I wish I didn't paint the top wood part, but everything else I'm happy with. all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.